Hi, this is A-level mathematics with Mr. Hayo. Now, for a while, we have been studying differential equations, how to solve differential equations using various methods. Okay, so we are continuing with the series. This is still another question under homogeneous equation. So, how do we solve this type of question? X dy dx equals y plus x exponential y over x. Okay? Now, since you want to use homogeneous equation, where you have to introduce another variable, you have to remove, the first thing you have to do is to make dy dx the subject of the formula. So to do that, I have to remove this x. So divide all through by x. I'm going to have dy dx equals y over x plus, if you divide by x, this x will cancel. So we are going to have exponential y over x. So we are left with dy dx equals y over x plus exponential y over x. Now, the way the y and x are arranged, the degree of the variable in the numerator is the same as the degree of the variable in the denominator. Therefore, we can apply homogeneous equation. So I'm going to introduce another variable. So I'm going to say let this y be vx. So I'm introducing another variable v. Okay, once I do that, this is product. Vx is v times x. So if I do dy dx, it's going to give me v dx, that is v, plus x dv dx. So this is from here. Now, I will now equate this one and this, since both of them is dy dx. So therefore, I will now do v plus x dv dx is equal to y over x plus exponential y over x. Now, don't forget that our y is vx. So anywhere you see y, you go and put vx. So this will turn to v plus x dv dx is equal to, now y is vx. So I will have vx over x plus exponential vx over x. So what happens? X cancel x. So I'm going to have v plus, okay, x dv dx, x dv dx equals v plus exponential v. So if you look at it very well, this v will cancel this v. So I'm going to be left with x dv dx is equal to exponential v. So the next thing now, from here, I'm going to use separation variable to separate the v and the x. So how do we do that? I'm going to bring okay, let me first cross multiply. I will have x dv is equal to exponential is equal to v dx. Okay, so from here, the next thing is to bring the v together and the x together. Okay, so this is going to come under here. So I'm going to have dv over exponential v is equal to dx over x. So the next thing is to integrate both sides. So I'm going to have integral 1 over exponential v dv is equal to integration of 1 over x dx. If I integrate 1 over exponent, this is exponent, this is exponent per minus v. Okay? If this one goes up, it will give me exponent s per minus v. If I integrate it, this is integration of exponent s power minus v dv is equal to integration of 1 over x dx. Remember that if you integrate exponents, what you're going to get back is still exponents. But because of this minus, we are going to have. Okay, please allow me to clean this place. For us to finish it up. Now, so if I integrate exponent s power minus v, I'm going to have minus exponent s power minus v now is equal to, if I integrate 1 over x, I'm going to have ln x then plus c. So the final answer now, I'm going to return back. Remember that y is equal to vx. So I'm going to make v the subject of the formula. It's going to give me v is equal to y over x. So for you to get the final answer, you must substitute back the value of v into here. So the final answer is going to give me minus exponent minus y over x is equal to ln x plus c. Ln x plus c. Ln x plus. So this will be the final answer, the final solution of that differential equation. So this is another question under homogeneous equations. So please, for you to enjoy this topic under differential equation, I will encourage you, especially if you are an A-level student, I will encourage you to subscribe to the channel so that you can enjoy the remaining series that will come under this topic. Thanks for watching and see you next class.